guys, it's Haley here, and today my friend traded me a donut squishy. I hope you can see it. Wait, I think you can see it. Let me put you guys here. Okay. Here's the squishy. My friend name is Raw Squishy World. Her username. She gave me a squishy because I traded her my new squishy when you saw my other squishy video. So yeah, here's the squishy. And here's the squishy. I put in the package because she doesn't want it to be broken. So yeah. And it will be dirty, she says. So I don't want it to be dirty. So I put it in the package. Also my other squishies. It's not slow rising, but it's okay. I'm gonna take it out for you guys so you can see it properly. Here is the designs of this donut. Yeah, it's kind of like a real life donut, but I don't know why you put red. That'd be like chocolate color, brown. But it's okay. At least it's just a design. Here is the donut. And guys, if you want me to show you more squishy videos, click the like button and also subscribe. Subscribe. Bye bye. Guys. Wait, I need to squish this. And then also you have to give credit to, again, Israel Squishy World. She is my friend. I told you from my other squishy video. And it was kind of cool. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a squishy day.